Oh my god, Alibaba just released a new text-to-speech model Qwen3, and this is mind-blowing. In this video, we're gonna cover basic details about this model and how you can run it in the cloud for free without any restrictions using Google Colab. So, the model is very impressive, the quality on par with the Level Labs closed-source solution, as you can see here in the benchmarks. At the same time, the amount of features which provide the Qwen3 is also very exceptional. The first one is language support. It supports Chinese, English, Japanese, Korean, German, French, Russian, Portuguese, Spanish and Italian languages. It also allows you to design your own voice based on just your basic description, or in other words, just a simple prompt. This is really cool. At the same time, there is ability to use so-called style control with different parameters like gender, age, language, dialects, and etc. And of course, voice cloning is also available. And the most important part here, the most impressive part here, that for this you need just a 3-second audio, and this will be enough for creating voice cloning. And I really like it. There are several models have been released which allows you to run it almost on any device you like. At the same time, there are a lot of cool technical details which we might cover, but I think the most important part here is to test it out by yourself. So, how you can do that? The first method is just using Hugging Face Spaces. Unfortunately, there is some restrictions which does not allows you to use it too much. At the same time, you will have the general idea of this model and its capabilities, particularly voice design, voice clone, and text-to-speech. Well, the next method is to use Google Colab. In this Google Colab notebook, you can clone any voice you like without much troubles and almost without any restrictions because Google provides you with a free GPU every day about 5 hours, and this is very generous of them. So, for this, we need to follow the link below under this video, open this Google Colab notebook and press connect button. And there is an important moment that you can change runtime type to Tesla T4. After this, we need to install all needed requirements and the models. For this, just press this button here and run this cell. The installation takes about several minutes. Alright, installation has been completed as specified here. And now we need to clone our voice. For this, press this button, run this cell. And the next step, we need to specify our target audio. And here, as you can see, the URL of our audio, which we need to add to Google Colab. You can simply do that by pressing this button here and upload it to session storage. Let's add our audio. In my case, it will be Hawaii MP3 file. Press here, copy path and pass it to this string. And the next string, you need to specify the text, the transcription of this audio.
Yeah, what else can I do?
So I specify my text here. Yeah, what else can I do? And run this cell. Alright, we cloned our audio and now we generate any audio we like. To do that, you need to specify your text here. Each string is one audio file, so it might be only one here. Just delete it and run this cell. Alright, we just generated our audio and let's have a look.
I am solving the equation. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a.
Well, as you can hear, this is very impressive. We just cloned our voice with the length of just 3 seconds and we've got identical results. Very impressive, especially for open source solution. To download this file, you need to press here and press download your audio. You can enter any text you like, any audio you like and clone it without almost any restrictions. But please don't forget to close your runtime. To do this, press disconnect and delete runtime. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching and bye bye.